Alright guys, so today we're gonna be making a nice Jamaican jerk seasoning. Alright, so you see the ingredients what I have here now. There's gonna be a few more stuff that I'm gonna be adding along the way, but first of all, let's get these cleaned up and then we're gonna jump right into it. Alright, so I have here my plastic colander. I'm gonna just do one thorough wash for everything, but first let me just remove the base of these scallion. Alright, so this is 4 stalk of scallion. Guys, I'm not peeling the garlic. I'm gonna just do everything like this. I'm gonna wash it, yeah? Alright, but for the onion, definitely gonna need some onion. Onion is a must, yeah? Alright, we have 2 scotch bonnet here. We have a nice piece of ginger. I have here a lime. And I'm also using a generous amount of thyme, yeah? I'm just gonna use the whole onion. Alright, so these are the essential ingredients for now. Alright, so to the blender now, here's what we're gonna do, guys. So we have the ginger here. I'm only using 2 scotch bonnet, guys, because I don't really want it too spicy. If you guys need more spice, you can always add more to it. But this is what I typically use once I'm making my jerk rub, okay? So we're gonna dice up that onion. Alright, so the garlic, just gonna cut it down the middle. As for the lime, I am gonna be juicing these lime in this. If you don't have a juicer, typically you just rub out the lime and then you just squeeze all that juice in, yeah? Alright, I have here like 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of nutmeg, also a teaspoon of cinnamon, yeah? If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can use a cinnamon stick. As for the pimento seeds, I always like to add a generous amount. As you can see here, this is like a half a cup. If you want more in it, you can add more in it, okay? In this, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of browning also, yeah. So that's like a tablespoonful. For the soy sauce, we're going with a half a cup as well, yeah? Now, if you have fresh squeezed orange juice, it's much better to use that, but I am using a cup of orange juice right here, okay? So Red Stripe is the basic beer that we normally use when we're making jerk seasoning or whenever time you're jerking chicken. However, I only have Heineken today. I'm just gonna add like just a half of this, guys. And in this, I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of salt, yeah? Be very gentle with the salt, yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, so now if you want it to be a little bit darker, you can add more browning, but this is perfect for me, yeah? Alright. And I also forget to add some vinegar to it because the vinegar also acts as a preservative as well. And there you have it. Nice jerk seasoning, okay? Today, I'm gonna be seasoning up this chicken here. It's a half a chicken. If you watch my last video when I did the brown stew chicken, this was the half a chicken that was left back. So I say I wanna jerk this piece of chicken here. So first things first, I want to clean up this chicken very good, right? You have some stuff here that you have to remove. It's very good to clean out these parts before you season it up as well, you know what I mean? Showing you everything from scratch. I'm using my homemade jerk seasoning as well. All right, so I want to take the socks off as well. That's what some people would call the socks. So the next thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna remove this, we call this the oil bag, yeah? And also for the skin, scrape off some of these yellow parts off for the skin, yeah? Give it a thorough clean, you know what I mean? See all of that? All of that gunk coming right off. Some of those excess fat as well. And this chicken, we're gonna do the breast and the leg and thigh separate, yeah? So let's get this in our bowl. And I'm gonna squeeze some lime on this, guys. You know, I always like to use some lime. And in this, I'm gonna add some vinegar as well, yeah? Give this a proper wash, okay? Make sure that you get in these places because, like we said, we like to clean the meat properly before we do anything. All right. Still have some extra fat here. Can remove these also. Okay, so I transfer this into a nice clean bowl as usual, guys. And now I just want to jump into the seasoning, all right? So for the seasonings, guys, I'm just going to add a little bit of Maggi on it. Here I'm going to add some meat and poultry season as well. I don't want to put too much of this. Here I'm going to add a Maggi cube. This is going to add some flavor to it as well, all right? Next up, I'm going to be adding some of this Better Pot jerk seasoning. All right, so I'm just going to add like a pinch of it on it. You see that? Because this adds some salt as well, okay? So you want to be real gentle with it. You don't want to put too much as well, yeah? So a little onion powder and a little garlic powder, yeah? And that's supposed to do it. Next up, I'll be adding some oil on it. This is olive oil. And this is the star for the show. I have here some homemade jerk seasoning, okay? See that? Take a look at that. And I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of this, yeah? Now we're going to marinate our chicken, guys. See all this niceness. Can smell all that niceness. And I'm definitely leaving this, guys, for 24 hours to make sure that all of that seasoning just soak up inside of this chicken the right way, yeah? And I get some underneath that skin as well. Should have used 2 gloves, but it's gonna soak up anyway, all right? So basically that is what I use for the seasoning, guys. You can always substitute whatever you have inside of your locker, but the main ingredient here is this homemade blend, okay? That is what's gonna give it all of that flavor. So now I'm gonna transfer it into a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna get all of that niceness inside of this as well, okay? Yeah, man. All right, so there we have it, guys. So I am gonna be storing this for 24 hours inside of the fridge. All right, and tomorrow we're gonna light up the grill, and then I'm going to show you the full procedure of how I'm going to do this chicken, okay? I'm going to make sure that I also make a nice and decent sauce for you guys. I'll show you guys how I make my jerk chicken, all right? Everybody has their method to do it, but this is just my way, all right? So stay tuned, all right? All right, guys, so I'm actually in the park, so I'm not going to be using the park grill. I actually bring my own grill because, you know, this grill is actually being used and it's dirty. So let's set this up, okay? So now we're going to fire up the grill, guys. Peeps, so I'm place on the grill now. All right, guys, so in the meantime, while the fire catch up, we're going to be making some festival. But the festival is an easy mix I'm going to be using here. So I'm going to be trying out this festival mix here. Take gloves to me then, no? In our next bag. Up here, sir. Look in our blue one. Yeah. So guys, being that I'm outdoor, I just want to do a quick thing. So that's the reason why I'm using the premix festival. So I'm going to see what it's all about, okay? So I'm going to make this and put it to set in the meanwhile, because I'm going to be doing jerk chicken and festival for you guys today, yeah? All right, so it's just quick and easy like that. Our main focus today is the jerk chicken. You know, I'm going to need some size because I want this dish to come out looking very nice and beautiful, okay? So take a look at this. You see that, guys? So I'm just going to put this to set in the meanwhile while we get back to the chicken, okay? So let's get the chicken ready for the grill, okay? All right, guys, so this is that well-seasoned jerk chicken that I did. All right, stored overnight. However, I add a couple more pieces to it because I thought that the 2 pieces what I did, it wasn't gonna be enough. So I add some more to it. So if you know, you know. All right, so stay tuned. So let's put some oil on the grill. I mean, prevent that chicken from sticking. Yes, sir. Hear that sizzle? I'm going with the skin side down at first, yeah? Put on the lid now, guys, and let this soak, yeah? We don't want these to burn, so we're gonna make the first flip and see what they're looking like, yeah? Constantly flip them around, guys, because like I say, we don't want to get them to burn. Give them a next soak, you know what I mean? So we're going to preheat the oil in the meanwhile. Just like that. Yeah, man. Just like that. All right, peeps. So let's check how far it reached now. Yeah, man. See that? See that smoke? Beautiful. Yeah, man. Take a look at that. Nice. See me? Authentic style. You know what I mean? All right. All right, guys. So the last and final thing, I'm going to make some sauce. All right. So I'm definitely missing some butter here. So I'm just going to use a tablespoon of oil. And I have here some of that homemade jerk seasoning as well. I'm gonna add some honey in this. I'm also gonna reduce some red stripe beer in this, yeah? I'm gonna add some spicy honey barbecue sauce in this as well, yeah? And finish that off with some ketchup. And then we're just gonna leave this and let this simmer down to the right consistency, okay? And we should have a perfect sauce to go with our jerk chicken. All right, peeps, so now it's time to enjoy some of this nice jerk chicken here. And I am gonna be having this piece of thigh here, yeah? Nice and juicy. Real Jamaican style, you know what I mean? Couple of that festival on the side here. The corn taking too long to roast, but guess what happened? It reached to a level where we can consume, alright? We're gonna put some of this sauce over it. Nice. Beautiful. It's time to enjoy this wonderful meal. So let's bless it, right? So Father, bless the food we eat, bless the hands that prepare it, and bless the viewers that's watching. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. Take a look at this. This smoky flavor and everything. That jerk spice on it. Piece of the festival with it. Well, the car never gets charged too much. Could wait on it. This one coming to you straight off the grill, all right? All right, so looking at this, rate this dish for me from 1 to 10. Please let me know if you guys will give this a try as well. All right, and stay tuned for the next video coming up, all right? Peace.